Welcome back to J Superjack 626 tutorials on how to build a computer. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the fans and the motherboard protector, which goes in the back. Now, my motherboard was pre-owned. I got it out of another computer. But your motherboard, it would come with this. You need to keep it, because you have a default one that's already installed in the back there. But you need to take that out because this one is specifically for your motherboard. Now, what you want to do is you want to get your fan, like so, your fan. And you want to, first of all, you want to go on the motherboard and find the little fan slot. Right, I found the other fan slot. There, which is right there, look, if you can see. There you go, right there. Yeah. And then, what you want to do is you want to put it this way, where the cable is just bending round. So what you want to do, because I've already screwed it in once, what you want to do is you want to put it in a hole somewhere, line it up the hole, turn the case around, my front cover's still off, see, turn that case around, and then just get a screw, a thick screw, like, if I can find it, it's not here, fuck, it's over here. A thick screw like that. Right, bear with me a minute. So you put it. Oh, I've only got one pair of hands. Right. You put it against a hole, you put the screw hole against a hole, and you just screw the screw in like so. Now, if you could, I don't know if you can see, but one of my holes has already got the screw pattern in it, so I've already screwed it in once. All the others don't. You just force the screw it. Bear with me a minute, I'll just screw it in. Now, I've screwed this screw in many times, so I have to use a pair of pliers. If you're using pre-owned stuff and just shoving it in a new case, you probably need a pair of pliers because the threading on the screw is probably worn down. Alright. Oh, for fuck's sake, bear with me a minute. Alright, that's gonna have to do. And the other one, goes in the front, in here. Now I've got a metal fan, a fan with a metal cover on it. So what you want to do is you want to put that part like that. Like that. You put it against the front, like so. You just find the screw holes, line it up, like so, and then screw it in. Now, like I said, my stuff is pre-ironed, so I had to use 2 screws and 2 pieces of plastic to do it, so yeah. So bear with me a minute, and I have to sort it out. You might have to look in the computer to see where the screw hole is. There we go. Got it in. And then you do it this way. The other one like so. Oh, for God's sake, come on. This is quite difficult to do with one hand. Oh, for fuck's sake, come on. Like so. There we go. Then I have to get my pieces of plastic and install the pieces of plastic, I'm afraid.